Welcome to another Jetsip tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add an organization. First, fill in the ABN field, and then click Search. The system will look up the ABN and display the organization details. If the details are correct, check the box to confirm you are authorized to act for the organization, and submit the form. The organization has now been added. Thank you for watching, and thank you for using Jetsip. Keep an eye out for links to other tutorials at the end of this video. Have a great day.